One of the most ironic moments in history began with something completely ordinary. In the court of Emperor Claudius, a simple sneeze changed everything. It happened during a grand public ceremony. The emperor's speech on discipline, strength, and divine favor was interrupted by a sneeze, loud, uncontrollable, and utterly chaotic. The problem wasn't the sneeze itself, but Rome's historians. Every event was recorded precisely. No edits, no mercy. And so, the sneeze was etched into official history. When Claudius saw it in the archives, he was furious. An emperor could command legions, but not dignity once it was written in ink. He tried to erase it. The historians refused. Copies multiplied. The Senate minutes recorded it anyway. Every attempt to hide it only made the story grow. So, while Claudius built roads and reformed laws, the most vividly remembered tale became the Great Imperial Sneeze. History records everything, especially embarrassment.